What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know this is such a weird angle, but as you can see, we're in the garage. It wants to focus on everything but me, so I'm gonna put my hand here. I just woke up from the nap and I am vlogging. I do not know if this is gonna be a part of the vlog or if it's gonna be its own video. So y'all know the intro. Comment down below how y'all doing. It's quarantine, and this is quarantine things. Let me quit doing too much. But yeah, I just woke up from a nap. If it is gonna be its own video, you'll see either this or the vlog first, and you'll be able to figure it out because y'all smart, okay? But yes, we in the garage, and this light is like really good. The sunlight, and I'm not even facing the sun. Wow, now I'm facing the sun and it's even better. So if it's not hot out here, I could totally film out here. I'm thinking on this side of the garage, I will probably put a little bit of photography stuff, but this is the side where we have the car. All of this stuff is gonna go up against the wall. Some of it is empty, but yeah. So washer and dryer is there. And then we have to have room for Daryl's workout stuff, but this is a really big garage. And I don't know if you can see, you probably can't, there's a step up. So all of this is going on the step. So yeah, we're gonna clean the garage. I'm gonna try to time lapse it and keep Daryl out of the camera because you guys know he does not like to vlog. So you'll just be seeing me. And this is the before. Like I said, I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm gonna try and film it because this is stuff that y'all wanna see. So I'm gonna raise up the garage, probably bring a fan out here and get it cracking. These are all empty boxes. So this is what I was talking about. You see how there's a stump there? Everything should be able to fit on that wall. We will have to leave space for the lights. I didn't think about that. So maybe I'll move that to right there so that I could cover the light. Shut the garage because it's actually more hot when it open because the sun is beaming straight on us. So I'm going to have to plug in the ring light so you can see what I'm doing. All right, y'all, so as you can see from the previous clip, we went ahead and hired a task rabbit. As you can see, I've cleared out everything from over there. So it's clean, but y'all, this is it. Like, wow, from where we started, right? So everything that's on the ground is related to exercise. This is Daryl's stuff here. And then I got the ball, the foam roller, the leash looking thing, and the elastic band and the weights, all from my physical therapist. These I've had for years. These I got from my personal trainer. But anyways, the only stuff that's down here, which I didn't even want anything down here, is the vacuum cleaners and then the car wash stuff. I don't have anywhere for it to go. But yeah, got pest control, Christmas stuff, extra pillows and blankets, Christmas trees down there, extra drapes and stuff that fit at the other house but not at this house. All those black cases mostly are Derek's, don't even know my own husband's name, Daryl's music equipment. This is my photography shelf, so these are like a bunch of backdrops and stuff like that. This is just an insulated bag, and I set it there because I didn't know where to put it. This is some of the stuff that goes in my office that I'm not done setting up yet. Hair stuff, hair stuff, cleaning stuff. We have all the laundry stuff that was in that tote right here. I got more fabric softener, body wash, cleaning stuff. And then these need to be wiped off, but those are like the little Glade plug-in things, soap, deodorant, just other candles, other stuff. Now, this is donation. So there's hangers and shoes in here. This I need to take to get shredded and also buy a new shredder because our other one broke. And then that stuff, probably getting rid of. That I'm giving to my nephew, but yeah, so it's just little, that's it. That's the only thing. I've already filled the garbage can with, and the recycle thing with cardboard, so I just neatly put it to the side. Once I get this cleared out, I'm gonna put those over here to kind of make that space. But the Task Rabbit also hung this up for us. But yeah, I should have never told Daryl about the app called Task Rabbit because he was out here for all of 5 seconds. That's a horrible angle. There we go. He was out here for all of 5 seconds before he decided that he was not having it with the shelves. But y'all, like, I showed y'all that before. Look at the afters, like, amazing. Really happy. There's still room for the car, wash and dryer there, workout stuff. I'm gonna get some mats and stuff and like really try to turn this into a gym. But yeah, we have tons of space. We have the other side, and you know, even if we wanted to pull the other car in here, I could just move the bench and the weights up there. But the other car, we don't really care. It's just Daryl's work van about it being outside. But yes, I'm super excited. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Didn't do my edges today. They sweated out yesterday and then I just washed my edges. I usually wash my edges every night to like avoid the product buildup. But anyways, stay tuned. Comment down below what else you guys want to see. I think I'm going to do some more makeup videos because I've been vlogging a lot lately. And then if there's something that you'd like to see from me, more than others, just let me know what you like to see so that I can focus on that. And but a life update is coming soon, so I've been very just direct. If you ask me if I moved, I say yeah. If you ask me if I live here, I say yeah. And I started to delete those comments because I didn't want to spoil the surprise, but whatever, people want to know what's going on with you, and I know that's why you guys watch. So longest outro ever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen Boo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Snapchat and all of that. You already know where Sheen Boo is at. Comment down below what you'd like to see. Stop by tomorrow. Watch Sheen B. Watch Sheen B.